Alright, hopefully this time it doesn't make my video fucking sideways. Big issue with these cars is the back wheel's made of plastic, and they just spin and spin and spin and spin and spin and spin. You don't go nowhere. Being that this is a hill, he gets stuck at the bottom.
Daddy, you see it go fast? Daddy, you see it go fast?
Yeah, now you're leaving black marks. Garage is a mess, but get you 2 of these, or you can just get like a 30, but I got 2 16s.
Hey!
And strip the strut off, take off the walls and everything, the belt. Get you some screws. Just wrap it on there. That's where 2 ends, because I just made it a belt. And then went down the belt, and I pulled it tight. Made it tight.
Well, this is.
Now I need to do the front. And there's no, I took the restrictor out so we can put it in a faster speed. Drive it.
I'm gonna put it down here.
Okay, drive it. You like it now that it doesn't get stuck on the hill? You like it that it doesn't get stuck now?
No, I don't want to go in the grass.
You don't have to go in the grass.
No, I like going on roads.
Okay, well stay out of the street, but you can drive up and down the driveway. Is it in reverse? Hit the pedal. To hell with spinning the tires.
Like
go!
This.
Go! Whee!
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye! He's still learning.
Yep.
Put it in forward. Or not. You gonna put it in low or fast? Do it. Go! Yeah. Yesterday he was doing donuts, so don't even spin the tires now. Yeah.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hey. Why that's my cup?
That cup needs to get washed. It's nasty. It needs to get washed.
It's supposed to be with the hairs.
So yeah, if anyone has one of these and they're having an issue with traction, just it's easier with a drill, but you can do it with a screwdriver. And because those are $15 a piece, you're looking at 30 plus some screws, which are like $5. So like a $35, but works fucking great. Bye. Man, if he's rolling backwards and he puts it in fast and floors it, pops a willy. Aw, you wrecked. And all the junk. Bet you can't wait till we get to the new house and you can drive it to the park. Better than not having a park. I know. Hey. Team 5.
No, for me.
Team 5.
Tires to the wrong way.
Hey, come here. Pound it.
That's too. Guys, the wheels are to the wrong way. That's too bad. I go super fast. It's too bad, Daddy.
All right, Dylan. Look, it's good that way. You don't wipe out and you don't get stuck.
Look, it's wreck.
What?
It's wreck on Nana's car. See, Daddy?
Yeah, Nana's car's wrecked right there. You're right. Because Nana's old and shouldn't be driving.
Nana's car wreck on my car.
You want to check on your motor?
Yeah. I didn't put.
What kind of motor do you have?
I'm a blue motor.
Blue motor?
Yeah. Well, the batteries are super fast. I need slow batteries. Slow batteries. Make me slow.
So what kind of car is this?
A Mustang.
The Mustang? Alright.
Yeah.
What's better, a Mustang or a Camaro?
Look.
He ain't gonna answer.
Hello.
He smoked a Camaro. The Camaro didn't have the screw removed, so.
There's an engine in it.
So when you buy these, there's a screw right there. So there's reverse and there's first. Take the screw out, and then you got fast. So. So you like your new tires? You might want to put it in reverse before you hit the pedal.
No.
His Nana taught him to drive. Oh! Man, I do the front tires. I think it'd be awesome. I'd quit flinging the front around. It just throws it back. Got some launch. Hi.
Ew.
Having fun? How come you're not wearing a seatbelt? You don't want to? You wear it when I'm driving. When I drive, you cry if you don't have one on. If I ever catch him unbuckling himself in the car, I slam on the brakes.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye. Drive safe. That's not driving safe. At least when he's 16, he'll have all his wrecking out of him and he'll know how to drive. Oh!
Daddy!
Okay.